You asked, how to divide 9764 by 2 using the long division method. 9 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 4882.